Welcome back, everybody. In a few recent videos, I pulled out some tools from different hauls that just had, some sort of grease, grime, dirt buildup on them. And I would talk about, one day I'll do a video on how I clean them. I actually did half of this one in a different video. You can see how dirty it was before. Works on screwdriver handles as well. I'm sure there's, dozens of different ways somebody could do this. I've tried a few different methods, and honestly, these things work the best. I know it sounds simple and easy, and it is. These things have some sort of citrus type cleaner, probably some other chemicals in them. I tell you what, they smell good, but they come with a pretty big wipe. It's very strong. They last a long time. They don't seem to do any sort of damage to the handle, and they're just so easy, and they work so good. Of course, it depending on what's on there. If it's going to be like a dried up paint or glue or just something like that, of course that's not going to come off. But if it's just dirt and grime, grease, these seem to work great. I've been using this for a while. They work really fast. Now sometimes when the buildup's really heavy, it'll take a little bit longer to scrub than this particular one. But man, these things really work great. I use them on all sorts of stuff. Now this particular tool here had this black color on both sides. I don't know what this stuff is. This took a little bit more scrubbing to get this one off. I mean, it comes off, and comes off pretty clean. If it's down in the little nooks and crannies and scratches, it's a little harder to get out. But man, these things really work great. Like I say, they work on screwdriver handles. These are some Matco screwdrivers. Again, I don't know, this person maybe never wiped their hands or their tools or either, but it's amazing like how much dirt is actually on these, and then how much different they look after you give them a little scrub. I realize people, your hands get dirty when you're using tools. It's also nice to wipe them down once in a while. So this one probably could use a little longer scrub in a few areas. But if we got one here that's kind of the before and after, you can kind of see just, how much comes off these. I use these on a lot of the snap-on screwdrivers. The soft grip handles seem to have a little more dirt and grime than the older hard handles. And these things clean them up really good. And you can kind of see how dirty this is compared to when I started. But I mean, it's just going to keep on going. You just got to kind of keep flipping it and turning it, and it's just going to keep on cleaning. That's why I said they like last a long time, as far as you can just get a lot of work done with one wipe. Not to mention, if you're taking little breaks here and there, they don't dry out very fast. So if you just set it on the bench, come back to it later, depending on how later, of course, it's still going to be good. But I'm not going to do all these, but I just wanted to show you what I use. I want to show you how good it works. I have not seen anything so far in cleaning handles with these for about a year that it does anything to harm the plastic or rubber or anything on the screwdriver handles. So I think it's a pretty safe product. Try it out, see what you think. That's what I use. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.